We have reimagined Cryotos for you. Discover how these new features will make managing maintenance smoother than ever. Here, the account setting option in the dashboard gives you with the options which can be enabled at the organization level on changing the general settings of date and time format, user location tracking, location search field, assigned to me filter in the dashboard where you can see the particular task assigned for you. And for the work order and the ASM, we can enable the parts and labor task which need to be consumed, the force close option where you can close the work order without completing all your forms whenever it is a very necessary, location and assert public request and feedback, the format of downloading the report in list format or a table format. The request key type can be changed and customized with the different formats, and the set timer pass where you can pass the work order which you are working and proceed with the other work order which is being prioritized. This is the pass and play timer, and also includes with the integration process. We include WhatsApp integration, AI integration and BIM integration. To enable all these exciting integrations, contact with the support team. Thank you.